Okay everyone, today is the 13th of February 2023. I got my first cutout call, so I'm going to go check it out to see what we got. See if we could tell if it's in the floor, in the walls, what's going on. It's a double wide. It's about 32 miles away from me, so we're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Let's see what we get. See y'all soon. Well, it is Thursday, the 16th of February, and I'm going out to get this cutout. We'll see how it goes. And as usual, you forget a couple things that you need on the way. I do have a queen clip, and I do have a roller cage. So I got those things. Got the BVAC. But guess what I forgot? A knife to cut comb. So I do have a hive tool, so we'll see what we can come up with to get the comb out of there after I vacuum stuff out, and hopefully we're successful, can find a queen and everything, but just never know what's going to happen. I have not seen the hold on, I want to show y'all something since I'm out in the middle of the country. The field is starting to bloom a bunch of little tiny flowers, so that's pretty cool. That's good for bees. I wish I had some beehives right out here somewhere. Be nice. But at any rate, we're gonna go out here. The homeowner took some blocks down. I think it's like a 32 by 32 inch hole to get through underneath the house, so and I gotta drag the BVAC under there, so that'll be fun. And I've got some totes for the honey and totes for the comb, and we're gonna see what we can do to get this thing going. I was hoping I would have saw a Family Dollar or something to be able to grab some knives, but was not the case. So I'm gonna take y'all along for a ride, and I hope you enjoy. It's gonna be hard because it's dark under there, and I've only got a headlamp, but I don't know how that's gonna work with my bee veil on, so we'll see. Anyway, it's gonna be fun. Thanks. All right, so I got my nuke box baited up for the foragers. I got their entrance plugged with some duct tape. They had 2 of them, so I just rolled the duct tape up and put it there. So now, trying to catch the foragers in the box. They are starting to go in there, and they're still trying to figure it out, but hopefully while I'm in there vacuuming, we're catching the foragers in this box, and we'll see how it goes. I did pre-spray before I went right there, and you see the little girl's fanning, so hopefully this passel of bees will get in there, because what we're doing is we're going through this hole here where the bees are finding it, and we're going back in that dark hole over there to do a cutout. And look at the spiders, spider webs. So it's gonna be fun, but we gotta drag everything through there. All right, so foragers seem to be landing where I want them to be. That's a lot of foragers. So this could be a big colony. Once we get under there, we'll see. I got the there are some bees finding this hole here in Oregon, but the vac is taller than the hole, so I got to drag it back in there. We'll see how it goes. All right, looks like we're finding them right here. So it looks like 2 pieces of this cardboard stuff got to kind of get out of here. They're right there. So we're gonna hook up the vac, start vacuuming some of these, and see if we can find out what's under here. Yeah, this is just a hole that I cut out in there Pretty massive hive in there. So let's get the vacuum in. Pretty massive. Okay, we're back. Here's what we got today. We got a lot of them, but we didn't get it all, so we still got a bunch. And they ain't happy. You can see what I'm working with down here. So I got a full suit on today. Well, we're still getting it. Light went now. Oh, there it is. So hold on. Which way's which? Still getting it. Now I'm getting honey drip. Still got bees. Got a lot of it kinda out. Got a damn mass of bees in the bucket. Now I'm trying to find the knife I'm probably laying on. Or is it up in the thing here? I don't know. Don't know. But we're going to try to get the rest of these bees out of here. The suit is paying off today. So let's get it done.